Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, as well as Girlia, which is Gloria's Cards, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. This week's theme was to use a basket. Next week's theme will be embossing folders. Also, we also enter in our projects into hashtag Satmorn Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. And so let's jump in and show you what I used to create this adorable card. So from Honeybee Stamps, I'm using this vintage picnic basket, and I used all of the pieces from there except for these little pieces there. From Cuttlebug or Probocraft, I'm using Oriental Weave, and I use that for the texture of the basket. Simple Stories, I'm using this light color here. Echo Park, I'm using this paper here, as well as some of the other pieces of paper for the eggs. My Creative Time, I am using Ginger Easter Bunnies, and I'm using the Happy Easter. And also, I'm using Elizabeth Craft Dashing Rectangles, using this one right here. Gina Marie, using this bow. This egg and the two bunnies are what I'm using from this one. You can pick that up from Jaded Blossom. And then this here, I'm just using this one there. You can pick this up from My Creative Time. And this is called Bunch of Fun Circles. And if you'd like an extra discount from My Creative Time, just use my code MOE capitalized, and that will get you 10% off your total purchase. Okay, and this is my card for this week. I love how it turned out. It's just so cute. However, it does have some weight to it, so I will probably be sending this in a package if I send out an Easter package, because like I said, this thing has a little bit of weight to it, but it's so cute. I love it. Now that Happy Easter, when you stamp it out, it has the little hearts, and I did add some color in the inside of the hearts. And then also these little bunnies, they're adorable. Tuck that one in with the Easter eggs, and it just turned out so cute. I thought about adding grass to this after the fact, so it was too late. But nevertheless, it's a cute card, and you can check out all that detail right there on that basket. It's just adorable. I did finish the inside of the card. Thought I added a couple eggs and also use that little bunny again. And there goes that rectangle die from Elizabeth Crafts. All right, so that is what I have for you. Make sure you use our hashtag, as well as Jillian Norwood's, if you'd like to join in on this challenge this week, as well as next week. Remember, embossing folders for next week. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.